Welcome students. In this session, I will discuss journal entries recorded while accounting for depreciation under insurance policy method. That is, at the end of this session, you will be able to know the entries recorded and accounts opened under insurance policy method of depreciation. As you all know, one of the objectives of providing depreciation is to provide for replacement of an asset at the end of its useful life. Under insurance policy method, provision is made for the replacement of an asset by taking out an insurance policy for a sum equal to the value of an asset. The premium equal to the depreciation amount is paid at the beginning of each year. At the end of specified period, the insurance company pays the agreed amount which is utilized for the replacement of an asset. 4 accounts which are open under insurance policy method are asset account, depreciation insurance policy account, depreciation fund account, which is also called as depreciation provision account, and depreciation account. The accounting entries recorded under insurance policy method can be enumerated as follows. In the first year, first entry is passed when an asset is purchased. The entry for purchase of an asset is asset account debit to bank account. One has to note here that any expenses incurred on installation and transportation of asset are to be added to the cost of an asset. The second entry, which is passed at the beginning of the year, is when insurance policy is taken and when premium is paid. The entry for the same is depreciation insurance policy account debit to bank account. That is, depreciation insurance policy is debited, and since the payment is made through check, bank account is credited. The third entry is passed at the end of the first year for depreciation charged. The amount charged as depreciation is debited to depreciation account and credited to depreciation fund account. That is, the entry for depreciation charged is depreciation account debit to depreciation fund account. The fourth entry in the first year is to close depreciation account. Depreciation account being nominal account, it is closed at the end of the year by transferring the amount to profit and loss account. The entry for the same is profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. These 4 entries are passed in the first year. In the subsequent years, that is, for all the years for which an asset is used, the entry for payment of insurance premium, entry for providing depreciation, and entry to transfer depreciation charge to profit and loss account are passed. Now coming to last year, that is the year when useful life of an asset is over. In this year, the entry for payment of insurance premium, entry for providing depreciation, and entry to transfer depreciation charge to profit and loss account are passed as done in all previous years. The next entry is passed on receipt of money from insurance company on maturity of policy. The entry for the same is bank account debit to depreciation insurance policy account. That is, bank account is debited and depreciation insurance policy account is credited with the amount received from the insurance company. If any profit is made on insurance policy, the profit is transferred to depreciation fund account by passing an entry depreciation insurance policy account debit to depreciation fund account. If there is loss on insurance policy, the entry to transfer loss is depreciation fund account debit to depreciation insurance policy account. That is, depreciation insurance policy account is credited and depreciation fund account is debited. At the end of useful life of an asset, if any amount is realized on sale of an asset as scrap, the entry for the same is passed. The entry for sale of an asset as scrap is bank account debit to asset account. That is, bank account is debited and asset account is credited with the amount realized on sale of an asset as scrap. At the end, accumulated depreciation in the depreciation fund account is transferred to asset account by passing an entry depreciation fund account debit to asset account. That is, depreciation fund account is closed by transferring whatever balance that is appearing in the depreciation fund account to an asset account. At the end, an asset account is closed by transferring balance, if any, to profit and loss account. That is, after closing an asset account, if an asset account is showing any balance, accordingly it is transferred to profit and loss account. That is, if an asset account is showing profit, asset account is debited and profit and loss account is credited with the amount of profit made on sale of an asset. If asset account shows loss, the entry is profit and loss account debit to asset account. That is, profit and loss account is debited with the amount of loss. With these journal entries, all the accounts that are opened, that is, asset account, depreciation insurance policy account, depreciation fund account and depreciation account are closed. Thank you.